often an overlooked aspect of life, not only in regards to putting food on the table and saving money, but the fact that it is so good for you. Getting out into the sunlight, connecting with the earth, and breathing fresh air is priceless. It's good for your mind, good for your body, and good for your soul. And on top of that, it makes your home environment feel and look better. When planting fruit trees, you would be best off putting them in as early as possible. Stone fruit trees, apple trees, kiwi fruit, citrus, things like that. You're going to want to allow 3 years growth before you start getting fruit. But vegetables will provide you with satisfaction in a matter of months. Not only does gardening provide food and make your environment more peaceful, it brings life into your home. Insects and birds will begin to visit your garden, some of them building homes. And personally, I find all forms of life incredible. The cool part about it all is that you can arrange it all to look how you want and decorate your yard. It doesn't matter how big your yard is either. We can work with what we have. And whether you own the house or not, I'm sure it's okay to grow vegetables. I highly recommend a garden in every home. Now, allow me to introduce Tynex. He is another character who will make an appearance on the channel. So, Tynex, tell the viewers a bit about yourself.
Greetings, my name is Tynex. I am the guardian angel who travels the world with the sun. Everything the light touches is within my sight. Though my true form is eternal, I can manifest within the earthly realm using the elements to manifest a body. As I travel the earth with the sun, I bring love to the ones who choose love, a compassionate energy of humility and well-being. The Almighty and Holy God guides me and grants me with the duty of maintaining the ecosystem. It is in my greatest hope that the free will given to humans is used well, and that they can learn to live well on the earth. The earth is a very trying environment, and many things will test your resolve throughout your life. But my advice is that no matter how hard it gets, or how low you fall, keep learning, keep trying, and never lose your faith. There is a God, and God truly is loving and compassionate. Our God is beyond formalities, beyond the human mindset, and simply is. All humans are built with a common understanding of who God is, so it's up to them to learn the difference between their own thoughts and desires and the inner knowing that is part of the human design. I would like to express a warm welcome to you, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel so we can share a part of this journey together. I would like to leave you with a few words of wisdom. Be kind. There are a lot of people suffering in life, and nobody is unaffected by the trials and tribulations of this earthly realm. Kindness goes a long way in every person's life. You never know just how much of a difference you can make by one simple act of kindness. So, on that note, till next time, may God keep you safe.
Thank you, Tynex. Stay tuned for more episodes of Time with Tiger King. Help us make these messages heard, and let's try to bring some light back into the hearts and minds of the human race. We are all running the same race, and together we can help one another along the way. Let's build a community of support, and even though it's on the internet, know that I truly do care and want what's best for everyone. On the next episode of Time with Tiger King, we will be introducing a new character to add to the family. Till next time, stay alert, stay safe, stay alive, and may God protect you.